Welcome back. This is 10's Morning News. The death toll in America's Midwest continues to rise as locals sift through the rubble left from one of the worst ever tornado onslaughts. At least 45 people have been killed. The damage bill expected to reach into the billions.
This time-lapse video shows storm clouds descending on Raleigh, part of the system that killed more than 20 people across the state. One of the hardest hit areas was Bertie County. In the tiny town of Colerain, where only a couple hundred people live, tornadoes tore houses from their foundations, crushed cars, and left behind yards filled with destruction.
When I looked out the front window, I seen this twister coming. It was just twisting. And I told my wife, I said, hit the bathroom. Soon we hit the bathroom floor, the whole roof just flew.
All I could do was pray.
Kim Lafferty had prayers of her own when she couldn't reach her in-laws.
I just had a gut feeling when I couldn't get them on the phone, and I knew how close it had hit.
When she arrived at their home, she found stairs leading to nothing. The door, the entire home were gone. The tornado killed her in-laws, Roy and Barbara Lafferty, and Barbara's mother. The storm picked up the home and threw it into the woods. Barbara's mother lived next door, and she was visiting the couple who had just come home early from their lake house. The storm spun off 62 tornadoes that toppled this tower, destroyed entire neighborhoods, and even demolished big box stores like this Lowe's in Sanford. No one was killed here, thanks to a manager who corralled more than 100 people into a back area of the store without windows.
By the time we got to the back, that's when everything just started blowing.
It sounded like the whole world was just being sucked up into the air, literally, all around you.
The state's governor toured the massive damage this afternoon after declaring a state of emergency last night.